Take your Hyundai Santa Fe on a whole new adventure with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your spacious interior. Made with soft and stretchy neoprene fabric, these custom fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. Starting with the front bucket seats, remove the headrest, and from behind the seat bottom, disconnect the bottom seat flap. More on that later. Now, stretch the backrest cover over the seat. Push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, lift the bottom seat flap. Then, grab the straps and secure them to the backrest using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Connect them together under the seat with the buckle clip. Adjust and pull the straps to tighten and secure. Now, tuck in the sides of the seat bottom. Then tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Reinsert the headrests and slip the headrest covers on. Now, connect the flap back in place and fasten the backrest to the seat with the hook and loop adhesive sides. With simple adjustments like tucking in the fabric and tightening straps, you're sure to have a secure, snug fit. Next, stretch the seat bottom cover over each section of the rear bench seats. Push the buckle straps through the crevice to the underside. Now, grab the straps from underneath the bench seat. Insert the left and right straps through the loops, and connect each strap under the seat with the buckle clips to secure. Next, remove the headrest from the rear bench seat. Stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest and slide it under the seat belt. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. Tilt the backrest down. Secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Zip the fabric together and secure the cover to the back side with the hook and loop closure. Tuck the fabric under the base of the headrests. Reattach the headrest, slip on the covers, and attach the center console cover over the lid of the console. You'll find the covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications, allowing the cutouts access to all the vehicle's controls. And that's it! You are ready to enjoy the full benefits of your Hyundai Santa Fe with the stylish and practical newly installed custom fit neoprene seat covers.